Hello everybody, welcome back. Before we start, check out these personal step-by-step guides if you want to make the most profit from your investments. Link to both of them is in the description. Today I'm only going to overview Ethereum. Short-term, 1-hour and 4-hour charts. Bullish. Ichimoku cloud trend signals are active and valid as long as ETH stays above $2,640 1 hourly and $2,537 4 hourly. Target resistance zone, $2,800 to $3,100. Minor pullback levels, $2,676 1 hourly and $2,633 4 hourly, possible before continuation. Bearish divergence spotted on the hourly, suggesting a small correction may occur, but not trend reversal yet. Overall, healthy short-term uptrend with room to rise further. Mid-term, daily and weekly, cautiously bullish. Daily chart, no clear trend signal, but price is above all major moving averages. Bollinger Bands are tightening. A potential breakout is forming. Support at $2,584 and $2,480. Needs to close above 200 SMA to further strengthen bullish case. Weekly chart. ETH is above the 20-week and 21-week EMAs, indicating early bullish transition. Support zone, around $2,388. Positive structure with higher lows forming. Long-term, monthly, and higher. Mixed to bearish caution. Monthly chart. ETH is facing resistance at the 20-month moving average, historically a bear market level. If rejected, it could mark a macro lower high and lead to a deeper decline. Still possible to break above, but needs confirmation. 3-month chart, slightly more optimistic. Currently above all moving averages, but volume is declining, which weakens the strength of a rally. 6-month chart, above moving averages, but money flow and momentum are falling. 12-month yearly, symmetrical triangle / bull flag forming. Suggests potential for major breakout next cycle, though might take years to fully realize. Support level to hold, around $1,600. Upside breakout target, $6,000 to $12,000 if it breaks out decisively. Key takeaways. Short term, bullish with active trend signals and potential continuation toward $3,000 plus. Midterm, optimistic, especially if ETH holds current supports and breaks above the 200 SMA on the daily. Long-term, caution warranted due to historical rejection patterns of the monthly 20 MA. Ethereum is not acting in isolation. Other markets like Bitcoin, stocks, and macro trends still influence ETH's direction. If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment. ENS. Ethereum name service is an Ethereum blockchain protocol, so the price movement is very similar to Ethereum, but more volatile and dangerous. Price, $24.89. Market cap, $904.65 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $189.01 million. Total supply, 100 million. Circulating supply, 36.34 million. Uni. Price, $7.09. Market cap, $7.09 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $835.37 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, 628 million. LDO. Price, 96 cents. Market cap, $864.15 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $168.65 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, 897.46 million. Count. Price, 46 cents. Market cap, $195.04 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $63.48 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, 420.15 million. Shopping. Price, $0.0067. Market cap, $15.29 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $521,980. Total supply, 10 billion. Circulating supply, 2.28 billion. SPX. The SPX 60-900 community maintains a bullish outlook, with notable whale activity contributing to recent price surges. For instance, a significant purchase by a prominent investor, chartrapist.eth, involves swapping $1.88 million USDC for 4.29 million SPX at an average price of $0.437. However, as a meme token without intrinsic value, it carries high volatility and risk. Price, $1.18. Market cap, $1.09 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $82.38 million. Total supply, 930.99 million. Circulating supply, 930.99 million. TRB. Price, $62.60. Market cap, $166.87 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $325.9 million. Total supply, 2.75 million. Circulating supply, 2.66 million. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you're looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky, and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Algorand. In my opinion, this coin is one of the best risk to reward ratio investments. Of course, it needs to be monitored to keep the risk at minimum, but with the current setup, it could reach even beyond its all-time high, which would be more than 10x from now. Algorand is associated with XRP and usually moves very similarly, but since it has a lower market cap, it offers bigger gains. So if XRP manages to go over the $2.50 resistance, it could result in a very rapid growth for Algorand as well. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.